For this video, we'll be taking apart the feed system on an Enviro M55 insert. We'll be getting to the auger plate and we'll show you how all the pieces fit together. As always, make sure your unit is unplugged before performing service work. To get to the feed system, I'm going to remove this back plate. And so that is what it looks like inside the hopper. And I can already tell something that's wrong with this. Okay, so the feed system on this should be adjusted so that these two holes are below this line. So these 4 screws need to be loosened and this whole panel needs to be dropped so that these 2 holes are visible over the edge, and that allows this to feed properly without overheating, because this right here is allowing too much fuel to be put in to the flighting. So you'll drop this down so that these 2 holes, one, see how it's dark, and then 2. So that's how it should look. Metal, 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 and then open, open. See how there's light coming through them? That's how it should be. Remove the wires from the motor. It'll be yellow and a white. So, now we have to release the square set nut. And that's 8mm or 5/16. Now our motor should drop out. We gotta move this out of the way. There is our 2 RPM gear motor. And now we can access the screws to take the plate out. And that's our lock collar. Now a lot of pellets are going to fall. So this plate right here, this is your auger base plate. It's held in with 1, 2, 3 screws. And it contains a brass bearing which is pressed into the plate. When this is bad, this will be loose. Right now it's not loose. And what happens is dust gets between this and this, and it locks it together, and then it breaks free from the plate. And so when this spins, this should stay put. See, like that. But if it spins with it, then you have to replace this, but you'll have to replace the plate as well most of the time. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe our channel. You can also search our playlist, and all links to all parts used in this video are searchable in the descriptions.